Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about XFX Radeon RX 9070 XT Mercury Magnetic Air Series graphics card. So friends, the flagship XFX RDNA 4 graphics card spotted on Amazon. So friend, the XFX is preparing the Swift, Quicksilver, Mercury and Mercury Magnetic Air GPUs, and the first two are already leaked on Amazon. While we are yet to see the vanilla Mercury design, the good news is that a magnetic air version in the model with removable fan and has already been listed, and we can now confirm the basic specification. The card feature an 1870 MHz base clock speed and 3100 MHz boost clock speed, and this is so far the highest clock speed we have seen. The first card even confirmed to the future such as clock speed out of the box, and whether it can achieve in real world scenarios only reviews will tell, because the AMD boost clock specification do not work the same way as Nvidia, and both Mercury cards have three 8-pin power connectors, so XFS has not gone the same route as Ace Rock and Sapphire, who decide to use 16-pin connector for their flagship model instead. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.